Did you know that one successful credit dispute doesn't always mean your credit journey is over? I know that might surprise you because a lot of people think once an account is deleted, they're done. But after helping people with credit for more than 20 years, I can tell you that's one of the biggest misconceptions I see. Let me share a real example. I worked with a client who had several negative accounts reporting on their credit. Like many people, they felt frustrated because they had already tried disputing on their own without seeing much progress. We carefully reviewed the credit reports, identified information that needed to be challenged, and put together a strategy based on their specific situation. Over time, negative items began coming off their reports. They were excited, and they should have been. It was a big milestone, but that's when I reminded them of something important. Removing negative information is only part of the process. The bigger goal is making sure those same financial habits don't create new problems. Here are some warning signs that tell me someone may need to change their approach, even after seeing results. The first warning sign is continuing to make late payments. If new late payments keep appearing, they can offset the progress you've already made. The second warning sign is carrying high credit card balances month after month. Even if you're making payments, high utilization can still affect your credit scores. The third warning sign is applying for credit every time you receive a pre approved offer. Every application should have a purpose. The fourth warning sign is never reviewing your credit reports again. Your credit changes over time. Monitoring your reports helps you catch problems early. The fifth warning sign is believing someone else is responsible for your credit forever. A good credit professional can educate you, help you understand your reports, and guide you through the process. But long term success comes from the decisions you make every month. That's why I always tell my clients that credit repair is only one chapter of the story. The real goal is building strong credit that stays strong. If you're frustrated because nothing you've tried has worked, don't give up. Sometimes the issue isn't that you're working hard, it's that you're working without a plan. Comment credit below, and I'll send you information on the first steps to better understand your credit and create a strategy designed for your situation.